The first Gospel of the Infancy of Jesus Christ. Chapter 11. Bartholomew, when a child and sick, miraculously restored by being laid on Christ's bed. Another woman in that city had likewise two sons sick. And when one was dead, the other, who lay at the point of death, she took in her arms to the Lady St. Mary, and in a flood of tears addressed herself to her, saying, O my Lady, help and relieve me, for I had two sons, the one I've just now buried, and the other I see is fast at the point of death. Behold how I earnestly seek for ear from God, and pray to him. And then she said, O Lord, thou art gracious and merciful and kind. Thou hast given me two sons, one of them thou hast taken to thyself. O spare me this other. St. Mary then, perceiving the greatness of her sorrow, pitied her, and said, Do thou place thy son in my son's bed, and cover him with his clothes. And when she had placed him in the bed wherein Christ lay, at the moment when his eyes were just closed by death, as soon as ever the small of the garments of the Lord Jesus Christ reached the boy, his eyes were opened, and calling with a loud voice to his mother, he asked for bread, and when he had received it, he sucked it. Then his mother said, O Lady Mary, now I am assured that the powers of God do dwell in you, so that thy son can cure children who are of the same sort as himself, as soon as they touch his garments. This boy who was thus cured is the same who in the Gospel is called Bartholomew.